Welcome back, you lovely people. Very quick Saturday check-in video today to make sure that we're all tuned in to the market. I'm going to start on Bitcoin, and let me just go down to the 8-hour view. Bitcoin is off just under 2% today, but we are consolidating above our trend line at $31,000, which is extremely healthy. And Ethereum is similar. We're up 1%, but we're consolidating above our trend line here at $1,200. That all looks really, really nice. And what they're allowing the rest of the crypto market to do is to see some big gains today. The story of the day today, like yesterday, is Chainlink, up, I believe it was 12 or 14% yesterday, up 16% today, making new all-time highs at $25. You'd love to see it. I have one trend line left in here at about $26.50. I don't expect that to be much of a challenge, and for Link to blow through that, and from then on we're in price discovery mode. I made a prediction yesterday, which you can go back and check the video. You've also got Polkadot up another 6% and about to make its new all-time high once again. And so you can see what's happening. I've shared this picture on Instagram before. This is called the path to alt season. Money flows into Bitcoin, as you saw over the past 6 to 9 months. And that's how Bitcoin went from $4,000 to $40,000. Then people start to think that perhaps Bitcoin is too expensive, or they get interested in crypto, and money starts flowing into Ethereum, which Ethereum, of course, saw its all-time high earlier this week. And from then it goes into the other large caps, so the other big cryptocurrencies. My two favorites in there, of course, Chainlink and Polkadot. You've also got projects such as Cardano and XRP in there, which I don't believe in. And then once they've had their pumps, which are happening right now, then we move into fully fledged alt season, where you see a lot of the smaller cryptos, speculative cryptos, some cryptos that are complete scams, just completely go ballistic at 20%, 30%, 50% a day is quite common when we get to alt season. So it seems like we're following our path perfectly. And how long does this last? Well, like I said before, I believe 2021 is essentially all crypto season. Of course, there will be some pullbacks like we've just had one, but on the whole, we're going to see the market advance by great orders of magnitude. And this path that we're showing on screen, it works in waves. When we're finished with one wave of alt season, then people will remember Bitcoin again. We start working our way around to Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes from 30,000 to 70,000, then we start flowing to Ethereum. And we probably see 3 or 4 of those waves over the next, before September. And you may be asking what that means in terms of your investments in your portfolio. Well, I did a thread on my stories. If you head to my highlights and look at crypto portfolio, you can see I've spent some time drawing out your options based on your risk profile. So I definitely recommend that you check that out. The main thing I would say is not to get shaken around too much by the market. It's easy to start chasing and always being one step behind, and then you'll miss out on your maximum returns. So try and stay ahead of the market, and that can be as simple as deciding that you're being 80% in Bitcoin and 20% Ethereum, because we're working our way down here now, and then you'll be positioned for when Bitcoin makes its next leg from 30 to 70 and Ethereum makes its next leg from 1,000 to 3,000. But go and have a look at my highlights, and you can comment below with any ideas or questions. Also on my stories earlier today, I let everybody know that I'm currently recording my training course, the 2021 Bitcoin Playbook, a practical guide to maximize returns and minimize risk for all levels of experience. It's going to be free to access. You can give a donation at the beginning, or you can try it and give at the end if you think it's really good. And I believe, based on what I'm putting together and how it's coming together, it's going to be the best Bitcoin course out there. I've put the modules here. Please have a look and let me know if I'm missing anything, because I want to give you exactly what you need so that we can continue our mission of getting everybody tuned in, knowledgeable, and positioned to maximize your returns during this cycle up to approximately September. And I'm not going to do a video tomorrow. I know we did the first Sunday one last week, and it was a longer version. It went down really well, so I will definitely do those in the future. But I'm just going to focus on getting as much of this course recorded as possible, because I think right now that is the most value I could add. I know a lot of people are finding these videos very, very useful, and that's fantastic. But the course is all about getting to that next level of understanding, which not only will allow you to make better investment decisions, but will also mean that you understand more about what you're investing in and why, because it's not just about the profits, although they are obviously fantastic. It's also about being part of something very special and very impactful, which, even if you don't know it yet, you already are. Have an amazing day tomorrow, and let's catch up again on Monday.